At Medcor, we believe great care starts with strong partnerships. That's why our on-site services are sometimes paired with WorkRight. Together, we combine Medcor's expertise in on-site occupational health with WorkRight's proactive, movement-based approach to injury prevention and workforce wellness.
In healthcare, it's all about providing that individualized care. That's the goal of each company. Injuries can be prevented, and if they do happen, they are well cared for.
Our relationship with WorkRight is very good. It just works. If there's something that I have that she needs to see, I can send them over and vice versa.
It helps benefit everyone because we can each focus on our specialties. It's a full spectrum of care right here on site.
This collaboration means better outcomes across the board, fewer injuries, faster recoveries, and improved employee well-being.
The health benefits that our team members have seen has been very good. They have 2 healthcare providers who are very competent and knowledgeable about all aspects of their healthcare.
Having WorkRight here, it's been very beneficial. Even, when we're out and about on the floor, people will just come up to us and ask us questions. So it's nice because we've built a pretty good rapport with everybody.
We have that capacity to work together to do a whole comprehensive healthcare for our team members.
Our teams work side by side at client sites because when care and prevention go hand in hand, the results speak for themselves. Medcor and WorkRight, strengthening the workforce together.